Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be going over a little bit of review of Unit 4A, and we're going to go through the entire review sheet, or most of it at least. Alright, so first things first, if we look at question number 1, you have to recognize that vertex, another word for vertex, is turning point. We are looking for the turning point at negative 8, 4. Now, if you remember what we talked about, when I have the value inside of the parentheses, so whatever's inside the parentheses, we take the opposite value in terms of left and right. So if I look at answer choice 1, if you notice, negative 8 means we are going to move right 8 units. Already, you should know that's no good because I want negative 8 as my x value for the vertex. So we have to look, when it's inside the parentheses, we want it to read x plus 8. So let's look over here. I have x plus 8. If I look at my vertex, it's at negative 8. I want what's inside of the parentheses to be positive 8 because this means we're going to go left 8. We take the opposite. And then the negative 4 outside of it means go down 4 units. But that doesn't match this because we'll end up getting negative 8, negative 4. If we look at answer choice 4, okay, so answer choice 4, what's inside of the parentheses is x plus 8, meaning we're going to go left 8. That positive 4 outside means we're going to go up 4, which matches our answer right here of negative 8, 4. This can also be done in the calculator, and I'm going to show you how we can do this. Alright, so if I go over to graph this, I'll go to y equals, and I'll graph this, see what it looks like. Alright, so there's my graph. Again, if you need to reset the window, you're going to go to zoom 6. That resets everything. But now I want to find what the vertex is, and that's this point right here, the minimum. So if I go second trace, and I scroll all the way down to minimum, number 3, see how it says left bound? We need to go left of the point. So I'm going to scroll all the way left. Okay, so I'm going to go left of the point, right about there. I'm going to click enter. I want to go right of the vertex, so maybe about here. I'm going to click enter. And then I'm going to scroll over to where it says guess. And I think it's right about there. And there it is. My minimum is at negative 8, 4. Again, if I went to the calculator to graph this, this is graphing answer choice 4.